Well, you guys want to hear another story?
The real problem.
Yeah.
The real story.
Let's do it.
So we were up late last night. She's working on a like an online course certification thing for work, and she's like, "Hey, I got a bunch of stuff I got to finish for the weekend because we're going out of town for a family friend's wedding this weekend or whatever." So she was up doing that stuff, and I was like, "Okay, I'll keep working on some things I'm working on." So we were up late or whatever. So I turned my alarm off this morning. I usually get up around like 7:15, 7:30 or so. And around 7:45, 8 o'clock, my doorbell's ringing.
Oh.
And I'm thinking, these damn solicitors
Yeah.
have some nerve to be ringing my doorbell at 8 a.m.
Mm-hmm.
Was the neighbor asking you to make their fence, to rebuild their fence?
Ooh, maybe.
No,
Okay.
but I did meet that neighbor today.
Oh, nice.
So it rings, and then maybe 30 seconds later, rings again. 30 seconds later, rings again. I'm like, you've got to be effing kidding me, right? So I get my clothes on, walk out into the living room, and my cat's standing at the end of the hallway, which she doesn't do, and her eyes are big, like, what the hell's happening right now?
Oh.
And I'm like, oh, why is she acting like this? Turn to go upstairs. I was going to, go upstairs and start working and stuff like that. Dude, I can't see outside or across the street.
Huh.
The entire neighborhood is filled with smoke.
Whoa.
Wow.
And so I open my door. There's like a dozen people running towards my house yelling, is everybody okay? Are you okay? And I'm like, I'm fine. What the hell's going on?
Yeah.
They said, there's a fire.
Uh-huh.
And I'm like, the first thing I can think of is Mandy's Tesla on fire?
Oh.
It's not.
Okay.
She's fine. The car's fine. I'm not even, I literally have gym shorts on and I'm holding my t-shirt in my hand at this point. I haven't even been dressed yet, right? So I'm like running outside to figure out what the hell is going on. Dude, the house behind us engulfed in flames. And I'll send you guys a picture of it.
Now, is this the neighbor that was too cheap to pay for the fence?
No.
Right. Oh.
It's
Okay, 'cause
not
I was
that.
wondering if they burned down the house for the insurance money.
No. It's the neighbor that their house just has trash all over the lawn.
Oh, yeah, perfect.
Yeah. And their house is on fire. It's so windy that the houses next to it didn't get caught on fire, but all of the siding on the house is like disintegrating like paper. And dude, it was bad. I mean, the fire department showed up. They're spraying everything, but there's so much flames that it's just putting out smoke everywhere.
Wow. Were they able to contain it to just the one house?
Yes, it didn't spread to other houses other than
Wow, that's lucky.
severely singeing the siding and stuff like that.
Well,
But-
yeah, it's creating so much heat that vinyl siding just melts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've seen
Oh, yeah.
videos of that, but I've never seen it in real life.
Yeah, dude.
Wow.
It was wild. But then, I mean, it's blowing like ash and debris and stuff like that. So like, we're in our backyard with the hoses because I don't want this stuff to catch like flower beds or like our house on fire. We're spraying our roof down with water and stuff like
Good
that.
call.
I'm like, what the hell, man?